Here, we have a truly wild project opportunity, a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino that's already been transformed into something far beyond stock. This car comes with an LS swap that runs, equipped with long tube headers, an external fuel pump, upgraded lines, and a chassis that's been tubed, linked, and fitted with airbags and air shocks. Someone clearly aimed to build a serious street or strip machine, and the foundation is already here. But the real shocker is what comes with it, a complete second engine. Not just a spare block, a full setup with the engine management system, a painless wiring harness, and a handheld tuning screen. You also get an intercooler, a turbo, blow-off valve, turbo intake piping, and all the hardware needed to build a boosted performance setup. It's extremely rare to find a project where the seller includes an entire second power plant ready to go. The current LS engine runs, but the car isn't street legal at the moment. You'll need a trailer. It still needs some finishing work before it ever hits the road, but for $5,500, you're getting 2 engines, performance parts everywhere, and a platform designed for serious horsepower. If this insane twin-engine project grabbed your attention, hit like and subscribe for more rare classics and unbelievable builds found across America.